we will fix this. Your sharper. We're gonna start neutral. This is quite a road. I know we doing the parking drill, but our main focus is controlling our steering. Okay. Now when we're using our steering, put the hardware. You keep it. Now do me a favor. Bring your hand all the way up, making a sound. All the way down. Keep doing a couple of times. Yeah. Now do me a favor. Put left hand away. Right hand, same thing, all the way down. Bring it and bring it back up. Couple of times if you can. Yeah. Now do the left hand, same thing. Yeah. Just removing your hand. You're making a reflection of your hand. Yeah. Okay. Now, what will be happening? Pull and push method. You have watched the small clip as well, haven't you? So let's try. So go to reverse gear for me, please. No. Go back to neutral. Underneath here. Click down. Yeah. Now what I would like you to do, follow what I'm going to say. Again, we're not doing parking, but yes, we are using this car for reference. Keep the clutch down as is. I will look after, make sure all the surrounding area is clear, yeah? So, when I say left, I'm saying hold steering from left. When I say left down, it means I'm saying hold it and bring it down. Right? With hold it and bring the steering, pull it down, yeah? But while we're doing this, left right hand, so the opposite hand is try to mirror it. Yeah. So, and hold it, yeah? When we say right push or up, it means you hold from right, you bring the steering up and left hand gonna mirror it, and then do left opposite. Repeat. There you go. Yeah? No, hang on. Yeah. Go all the way back. Yeah. And now you finish from here, innit? Now from right, pull it. Left push. Right pull. Left push. Right pull. Left push. Car doesn't like it, but of course you have to learn it, don't you? Yeah, keep doing it. There you go. And now opposite. So you finish with the left in it. Yeah. Right is here. Right pull. Push, sorry. Opposite. Yeah. Keep doing it. One more time. There you go. Let's stop now. So this one we have done this drill in a study, when car was still. Let's start rolling now, yeah? So we start with the left. Left down, right up. Left down, right up. Left down, right up. Keep doing it. Hold it now, yeah? Now opposite. Start from the right. No, start from the left. Left up. Left up. Right down. Left up. Right down. Left up. Right down. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing until you see there's no more. Keep doing it. No more, yeah? No. So from the right now. Right push. Left pull. Yeah, keep repeating it, 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 keep repeating it. Hands as relaxed as possible, yeah? Now, left push, right pull. Keep doing it, 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 keep doing it. Yeah, now opposite. Keep going as well, yeah? Keep doing it, 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 keep doing it. Now opposite. Yeah. Keep doing it, 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 keep doing it. Hold it here for a second. And now steady your wheel twice, yeah? Right. One more time. There you go. Hold now. Yeah. So let's see how it's gonna make a difference while you're doing any kind of turn. Well done, lad. Well done. So no more snaking, huh?
No.
No more zigzag?
No.